weekly gaming roundup, Netflix, Microsoft, Fortnite, and more. This week in gaming, there's been a mix of exciting updates, new releases, and some farewells. From major updates to popular games like Honkai Star Rail and Fortnite, to the removal of classic titles from Netflix, there's been plenty to keep players on their toes. Meanwhile, upcoming releases like The Elder Scrolls 6 and Final Fantasy XIV Mobile continue to stir excitement for the future. GadInsider has compiled a roundup of the latest news from the gaming world. Netflix will be taking down Grand Theft Auto, the Definitive Edition, and Grand Theft Auto Vice City from its gaming catalog on December 13th as the license to stream these games expires. For fans of Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, the Definitive Edition will have no problem continuing with the game. Gamers can download the removed titles from app stores for $20 each. Microsoft has temporarily stopped releasing Windows 11 version 24H2 for computers running with some Ubisoft games, such as Assassin's Creed titles, as well as Star Wars Outlaws because of a compatibility issue in which users suffered crashes and black screens. Ubisoft released a temporary fix for its Star Wars Outlaws game, while Microsoft and Ubisoft worked out a permanent fix for computer users. Fortnite is holding an event on November 30th in honor of the passing rapper Juice WRLD. Concerts, a special tribute map, and unique in-game items, including a Juice WRLD skin, are available for purchase. Early logins can take part in the pre-event challenges and sales. Honkai Star Rail version 2.7 is coming on December 3rd, along with new characters, light cones, events, and an opportunity to claim a free 5-star character through the Express gift card. Players must log in before version 3.0 launches to collect it. Final Fantasy XIV is coming to iOS and Android and will offer an optimized experience for mobile devices. The fans can explore Eorzea and go through the iconic storyline, combat mechanics, and music that have made the original game legendary. Playtests are going to start in China before a global launch. It's reported that The Elder Scrolls 6 is in its pre-alpha stage, though there have been rumors of an expanded 2-province map, settlement system, and even possibly a soundtrack by Fallout 4's composer Einan Zur. Until Bethesda confirms it, though, this is purely fan rumblings. For more casual gamers, Hamster Combat minigames includes lighthearted games like Hamster Ball Showdown, Cheese Chase, and Burrow Blitz. These games are available on Google Play, the Apple App Store, and Roblox. Stellar Blade recently received a significant update with a paid crossover event with Nier Automata and themed cosmetics on sale, including outfits and accessories. Photo mode launched in the game and added depth to the immersive experience.